Hello friends, in today's video we are going to discuss the addressing modes of 805 microprocessor. Well, if you will observe some instructions like add B, add M and STA 2050H and RRC and you must say ADI 06H. So here I have written 5 instructions, and if you will observe, then here the operation will be in between two registers. Okay, here the operation will be in between a register and memory location. M stands for memory here. In this case there is data transfer, and one of the operand will be register and second will be memory address. In this also there is a register and an immediate data, an immediate value, and in this only a register will be operand. So you can see that basically addressing mode is the way by which we specify operand to the microprocessor, that whether we are giving it directly or we are giving the address of data or we are giving the data in any register. So addressing modes means that specifying the various way by which we can provide data to the microprocessor. So first mode is immediate addressing mode. When you are providing data to the microprocessor directly, that means your data will be part of instruction itself, like MVI B, 09H. The complete instruction is MVI B, 09H, and this is the data that you are providing, and it is the part of instruction. Another example is ADI 63H. This is the complete instruction, and 63H data is the part of your instruction. So these instructions will come under immediate addressing mode. Okay. Another example, you may write SUI 08H. So in general there will be always data present in the instruction. Second is register addressing mode. In register addressing mode, both the operand will be given in register, like I am writing MOV A, B. Here I want to copy the content of register B to the accumulator. This is register and this is also a register. Similarly, we may write add B. Here we are going to perform the content of accumulator plus content of register B. Both are registers. Next we may write we may write any other instruction like SUB B. Okay, here we are subtracting content of B from content of A. So here both the content will be in registers, that's why this is register addressing mode. Third is direct addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the address of the operand is given directly and it will be the part of instruction, like STA 2050H. Basically in this instruction the content of accumulator will be copied to address 2050H. So this is address, and address will be part of the instruction. Similarly we may write LDA 2030H. Here 2030H is address and the data present at 2030H 8-bit data will be copied to the accumulator. Next you may write like in and out instructions in 03H. Again 03H is the address and it is copied to the accumulator. Content present at 03H address is copied to the accumulator. So in this addressing mode, directly address of the data will be given to the microprocessor. And next addressing mode, it is indirect addressing mode, as its name suggesting that it is indirect. That means we will be providing address of the data, but instead of giving it directly, we will be specifying that address in some other register. Okay, for example, we may write MOV A comma M, and remember here M stands for memory, and the address of that memory is specified in register pair H and L. So for example, if the content of HL is 2050H, that means if we are writing MOV A comma M, then we want to copy the data present at this memory location to the accumulator. So we are providing that address, but it is indirect. Okay, another example is STAXB. Here the address of data will be given in register pair B and C. Okay, so if we are writing STAXB and the content of BC is 2050, that means we want to store the content of accumulator at the address 2050H. So here address will be involved, but it will be given indirectly. Another example, you may write LDAXB. Okay, then next is implied addressing mode. In this addressing mode, none of the operand is specified by us in the instruction, and it is by default already set. Okay, like we are writing RAL, so we have not specified any operand here. By default it is accumulator on which this instruction will be operated. Similarly, we can write RRC. This is for rotating the content of accumulator to right. This is for to shift left. And next we may write CMA. This will complement the content of accumulator. So basically you may observe that in all the addressing modes, one of the operand will be registered always. Like here, one operand will be registered by default, here also, here also, here also, and here also. And second operand, depending on second operand, whether it is given directly, it is given in register, its address is given, or indirectly its address is given, or none of the operand is specified here. So on this category, addressing mode is defined. Okay, so once again I would like to tell you the definition of addressing modes, that it is a different way by which we specify data to the microprocessor. Okay, so that's it for addressing modes of 8085 microprocessor. Thanks for watching. Likes my videos and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.